Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have come up with not just one but 3 different DIY face masks for you guys that can help you look more beautiful. So this one is an interesting video and will be helpful for all of you. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first DIY mask is a potato and yogurt mask. Potato is really good for fine lines, acne, scars, and it is also great for dark circles. So what you need is a boiled potato, cut it into a half and then mash it, and you have to mix it well with yogurt. So you will get a paste somewhat like this. So what you have to do is you have to take a flat brush and start applying that paste onto your face. This mask is also great for discoloration of skin if you have any. And yogurt is really great for fine lines, and it also helps in getting rid of the dark circles or dry patches if you have some. So you have to leave this paste for 10 to 15 minutes on your skin. The result of this mask is really instant and quick, as it leaves your skin with that glowy finish and radiance. I myself apply this mask 2 to 3 times a week. So the second DIY mask is rice flour and yogurt mask. What you need for this DIY is rice flour and yogurt in equal quantities and 3 to 4 drops of lemon juice. So you'll get a paste somewhat like this. What you have to do is you have to apply this paste using a flat brush on the affected area of your face. I personally like to massage this paste all over my face. The best thing about this scrub is it takes away all the dirt that you might have locked in your pores, and it also takes away those whiteheads and blackheads that pop out on your skin. For me, this is the best DIY scrubber that I have come across with. I generally use this scrub 3 to 4 times a week, and when I'm done applying that, I leave that on my skin for 15 to 20 minutes. The best thing about this mask is it helps revitalize your skin's natural glow back, and it nourishes your new skin cells and takes away all the dead cells off your skin. I personally apply this scrub 3 to 4 times a week because in India you go out and the pollution and the dirt gets clogged into your pores, so it helps in taking that dirt and the pollution off your skin. So the third one is the most important skin whitening and tightening mask. So what you need for this mask is you need white flour, 2 tablespoons of white flour and 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of raw milk. Using a cotton ball or a flat brush, you can apply that onto your face. You have to leave that onto your face for 20 minutes. Rice flour is popularly known for Korean skincare as it is the skin whitening agent, and white flour is known for skin tightening. And white flour also provides you a natural sunscreen, and raw milk has also got some skin whitening qualities. So they 3 in a combination work best for your skin to get lightened and tightened. For better results, you can apply this 2 to 3 times a week. And if you are in the age like 35 to 45, you can apply this 4 times a week. For my skin, it works really good. You can leave this for about 20 minutes, and once it dries down, you can wash it off with warm water. Make sure that you wash it off with warm water. Alright guys, so that completes everything for this tutorial. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.